All right, everybody, today's video is sponsored by Sunday Lawn Care. They've seen that we've been working really hard around here to make our place look nice, and they wanted to give us a hand.
And Jay's lawn really needs it, right?
A little bit. You guys noticed over the years that our soil here in our area is very, very poor. So Sunday Lawn Care is going to help us with that, with a specialized system designed just for our needs.
One of our favorite parts about Sunday is that they have ingredients you can actually pronounce.
They're better for people, pets, and the planet, and designed with safety in mind, with ingredients that you can trust.
Sunday Lawn Care comes with step-by-step instructions for your lawn and easy application instructions.
Another great thing about Sunday is that you can shop and order easily online, and it can be shipped right to your home, saving you the time of having to go walk through aisles of product at the store. This one bag will cover up to 5,000 square feet of lawn.
Our customized lawn plan says the very first step we're going to be doing is the grass powerhouse. So Jay's going to spray that on our lawn, and hopefully we'll have a lush green lawn this summer. And you can scan the QR code and go online and see your whole entire customized lawn plan.
Now we just have to make sure us guys are convinced to read the directions.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, that was super fast and easy. Make sure you use our code OFFGRID30 to get 30% off your first custom lawn plan. I'd like to thank Sunday for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it.
Sunday also sent me flowers. They know how to make me happy.
Hey guys, good morning. Jen and I worked on some flower beds over here by the pole barn yesterday. We have the tractor for the day. So I started ripping out this stump. I actually got the stump right here by the front of the solar array ripped out. I have our post for our eco-worthy solar tracker system. A lot of you guys asked about that, why we took it down. Well, we took it down because our new system is large enough to take bigger panels and more solar. So we had more than what we could get with the solar tracker itself. So now we have 3,600 watts. 1,200 watts is kind of the max for the solar tracker. That's really good for a starter system or a small to medium sized system. Well, we have a bigger system now, and it's just better to have a stationary system that large. Our solar array will take that power to our inverter charger that can handle that much power now. So the solar tracker, a lot of you guys were concerned why we took it down, if it wasn't working or if we didn't like it. Well, we do like it. I really enjoy that tracker. I like seeing it move around and follow the sun. It produced good power all day long. So what we're going to do now is move this concrete chunk with the post on it. It is halfway out and still solid as a rock. So we're going to move it over here by the mini cabin on this hillside. Now this isn't the best situation because of the hill, but this is really the only space we have left for a solar array for the mini cabin. I got it's nice. Got the tree branches trimmed back to the trees. These are my two of my nice maples that I tap every year. Maple season's over. They are dripping a little bit of sap, but it's gonna be too warm now. Everything will dry out. Hopefully the trees will be okay. It opens up a little bit of light to the cabin too. And we're gonna try to figure out a way to put the solar tracker right here on the edge of the hill. I want to go down the hill a little bit, but the thing with the solar tracker is it needs to rotate or, you know, move back and forth, and it likes a flat surface. So we'll figure it out. I might have to arrange it a little bit different. I might face it east and then just have it track north and south, pointing towards this east and west. Like, I might have to just change the orientation of it, so that way it won't hit the ground, because it'll go almost 100, it'll almost go completely vertical east and west, but we're not going to get any sun from the west anyway because of the tree line. So if I orientate it towards the east, it'll just stay at the east, and then as it goes up, it'll tip up, and then it will you know, never hit the ground. Kind of just winging it here, telling you what I just came up with, but I think that's gonna work good. right, guys, there we go. One day on the tractor, and we got our beds filled last night. We got stump pulled. We got the tower or the post for the eco-worthy trekking system pulled out of the ground. And we got this giant hole dug. Can any of you guess what this giant hole's for? I don't know if we told you earlier in the video or not, so if we didn't, what's this giant hole for? Figure it out, put your guesses in the comment section below. But next projects are going to be, that's going to probably have to be on hold for a little bit. We just did that because we had the tractor and we needed dirt. We're going to work on the deck for the mini cabin, and we're going to get this tracking system put back up. There's our sonotube concrete post. Then we got a big old pad of concrete at the top. So that's sturdy like a rock. So thanks for hanging out with us while we got these little projects done, and we're excited that spring's here so we get back to work. So we are going to have a little bit of extra fun this summer, I promise you. I hope you guys stick with us for the fun stuff as well. So best wishes, everybody. Thanks for all your support, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.